turn to our Weather Authority forecast because we have some significant snow heading our way this weekend and some colder weather too.
Yeah.
Chief Meteorologist Brian Wilkes here with our forecast right now.
Yeah, just hawking over new data. It comes in at about 8, 9, 10 o'clock. After the balloon launches go up, and that's universal, we start running and churning new data. And we start to get little tidbits of information starting to trickle in, and some of the models are still right on track. I would say steadying the course here from what our previous thinking has been. If you've missed our earlier broadcast, we are looking for substantial snowfall, but there are a couple of small nuances that are showing up that I'm going to keep a close eye on. First and foremost, though, we got to deal with the Arctic air, and it's going to hit pretty hard later tonight. This temperature doesn't move too much. We have cooled. There is some clearing right now in parts of the area. 25-degree temperature there in Speedway and at the airport. We're down to 22. We're not likely going to drop much for several more hours as we continue to wait on the Arctic front that's still off to the north and west. So clear skies, cold temperatures. It was a colder day. We went behind a front last night and early this morning to knock the temperature down from a 47, which was earlier yesterday afternoon, to a high temperature this afternoon only in the mid-30s at this hour. That 22-degree temperature with a west wind, no gusts yet, makes it feel like it's 12. That's uncomfortable, but unfortunately it's going to get a lot worse before it gets better. Here comes the Arctic air, and behind it, it is getting brutally cold. Wind chill temperatures, those values have dropped to almost 50 degrees below zero. In fact, it just hit 51 below zero up in Duluth. That is the bitter cold air that's spilling south, and it's going to go way south. Therefore, many states are blanketed under these cold weather advisories, which include central Indiana, which goes into effect after midnight. I'd say this front will likely pass somewhere between 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. The Arctic air is already arriving. Look at this current air temperature. International Falls is at 26 degrees below zero. There may be areas of Minnesota that dip down to 40, 45 below zero. Our temperatures are going to dip sharply when that front passes in the early morning hours on Friday morning. We may hold close to 20 degrees, then slip to about 18, 17, and then all of a sudden, these polar fronts, these Arctic fronts, will hit like a wall, and the temperature will drop very quickly in just a matter of a few hours into the single digits, and that's when the winds that are so strong aloft and continuing to dig south are going to be translated down to the surface to create these bitter wind chills. So we do have that cold weather advisory for wind chills Friday afternoon, probably as early as Friday morning, pushing 5 to 15 degrees below zero. Now you add the moisture that's coming in from the south and west, and that's going to override this Arctic air. This is a huge batch of winter advisories, winter storm warnings, winter storm watches. They extend from eastern New Mexico all the way up to Maine. Yes, we are under a winter storm watch for now. Those will be revised, these advisories, when we get more data, but I do feel that we will likely be under a winter storm warning at some point tomorrow. We look at several things, and a lot of things really, when you come to size up a winter storm, but the 4 T's of winter storm forecasting are track, timing, type, and temperature, and this, temperature and track, are going to be very key here, because all week long, the storm system had looked to take that southerly route, and it still is. But it's been nudging the track a little bit further north, and that's why we are now more in line to see some of the heavier snowfall totals with the system. Still likely to be a broad area of icing. That Arctic air will be overrun with the warmer, moist air that comes off the Pacific and off the Gulf. There could be considerable icing from Dallas all the way through Atlanta and into the Carolinas, where that heavy snow lies north of that line. There will be some adjustments to this track, but it has been adjusting north for a few days now, and that does put us in line for perhaps some significant snowfall. Here's some of the twists that I'm starting to see tonight. It does look like it may come in 2 pieces. It may be just a burst of snow on Saturday and perhaps just some light accumulation into Saturday night before a lull develops, and then the secondary surge comes in on Sunday. These are the numbers that concern me. Remember I said the temperature? Well, the air is going to be so cold you can take a ½ inch of snow and almost double the snowfall, a ½ inch of precipitation, and almost double the snowfall production, because the air is so cold it's going to fluff up. That means that looking at several computer models and using our different techniques, the average snowfall right now for Indianapolis is 9.9 inches with a spread of 7 to 13. Therefore, we are expecting to see a high probability of heavier snowfalls from central and south central Indiana. I think most of the area gets a ½ foot of snow. I think 6 inches area-wide is a pretty good bet. But there will be bands of heavier snow that could produce an 8, maybe 10-inch amount, and even higher amounts of 12 or higher south and east. Again, this is a first take. It's not carved in stone, but we will certainly look for bursts of snow beginning as early as Saturday afternoon or Saturday evening. This may be on the lighter side before the real main event begins on Sunday morning, and that's when the snow may become more steady and continuing to fall well into Sunday night and ending with blowing and drifting snow on Monday. Some real challenging winter weather ahead, but right now we brace for the polar front that hits late tonight. Air temperature drops to perhaps 11 degrees before sunrise, and then it falls into the single digits with a wind chill that will go down to as much as 15 below zero. And then we work on that winter storm that begins to develop more snow, especially overnight Saturday throughout the day on Sunday. Frigid temperatures and another Arctic blast next week could produce multiple nights below zero, near 10 below.